Hey guys, hello, good morning, namaste. I hope you all slept well. I tried making the video twice today, and this person here, the King of Cups, what is wrong with you that you don't let me record? This person, King of Cups, full of emotion. I tried recording twice, but पहले वीडियो अपलोड नहीं हो रहा था and फिर ऑडियो issues. Yeah. My God. Yes. I'm not taking reverse cards just like the other two videos. Okay? That is not uploaded. I hope it's clear, my video. The light has, there's an issue with the light, right? Yeah. I will work that out, but I hope it's okay. Just there. My God. Same cards again and again. By the way, this person shows he's something, but he is something else within. He's a very intuitive person, full of emotions. A bit immature, but then he might hide his inner child. Also, mm, very giving. Let's see bottom of the deck. So here we have bottom of the deck, Knight of Pentacles. Okay, we will confirm this also later. Okay. Knight of Pentacles. Now let's confirm the cards. Let's go with the confirmation. So we have Knight of Cups. We have the Sun. Oh my God. You are the energy to this person. He loves you so much. You are the energy. He's magnetically drawn to you. I'm feeling this is a no contact reading. This person has given you up. You can see this. This person has given you up, and there's this judgment card that has come. The person has given you up because of his family, because of his work, business, something. He has given you up, and he thinks that he's not done right. For Seven of Pentacles, he's not happy for what he has done to you. He sees you as the Queen of Cups. Oh my God. He is the King of Cups. He sees you as a Queen of Cups. He sees you're the perfect match for him. Everything that you can be for him. Here. I'm telling you, this person won't let me do the reading today. Just give me some time. It has fallen down, my cards. This person won't let me do a reading so that it reaches to you guys. My my laptop just fell down, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. This person has an energy. My God. My God. To claim this energy, the Star. Knight of Pentacles. To claim this energy, please like and subscribe to my channel so that I give you something, you give me back something, so that you can exchange this energy from me. By the way, this is your person because he hasn't let me done this reading. You are the star for him. You are the Queen of Cups. You are the star for me. He's finding ways to come to you. The Emperor. you have Nine of Wands. He's showing this stern energy, the wicked person. He's showing the wicked face, but he's waiting and watching. He's waiting for you to text, for you to call. He wants it, but उसको दिखाना नहीं है. He wants it, but he will not show. I'm getting the song. Baby, baby, if I touch you like this, and if you hold me like that, it was lost long ago, but it's all coming back to me. And if you want me like this, and if I want you like that, I don't know the lyrics, but this is with the song that is coming to me, that's playing in my head. So he's a very intuitive person, and he sees you at an Eight of Cups. My God, this person, why? Both the readings, this person was completely obsessed with you. Like, I guess, like, same cards have been coming, and I know this is that person who doesn't want your. Like, what is happening? This person's throat chakra is like blocked. It's like completely blocked, and he doesn't want you to know what his feelings are, what he feels. Death card, like, but I know this is a no contact reading. This is for sure. Oh my God, see what is happening? Why am I being so clumsy? God, Two of Cups. Oh my God, you all are a twin flame, and the death of twin flame. What is happening? What is happening? Why? He feels like he's the fool who has given up on your energy. Knight of Swords. Oh my God. He wants to come to you. The fool, the inner child in him craves you. The sun has come twice. He feels you are the person, and he cries for you. He feels so much in love with you. My God, Six of Swords. He sees that you have moved on. Maybe you have moved on from his energy. So yeah, we'll confirm this Knight of Pentacles. Okay, we'll confirm this energy. So bottom of the deck we have Three of Swords. Oh my God. See, he's waiting, but he's crying like a cranky baby. He is broken, guys. He's broken. How can someone not be broken? How can someone not be broken? He wants to come, but this person, how will I say this person? Nor he will let you come, nor he will come. It's like, ना तुम मेरी होगी और ना तुमको हम किसी और का रहने देंगे, kind of. And especially this person will not let you know what his feelings are. Okay, so let's see what's your guidance. I'm just, I don't know, but I can see he's finding ways to come to you. He's like inner, like, he's finding ways, literally he's finding ways to come to you. But oh my God, Temperance. Oh my, same reading. Oh my God, I wish I could upload, but it didn't happen. I don't know why. Same guidance. Be patient, people. Be patient. The world will play its role. Yeah, God will play the role. Be patient. The wheel will turn. Be patient. Have patience, people. I hope my reading makes sense. I tried my very best to give this reading out. Now, if it does not come out, I don't know if it comes out or if it doesn't come out. Or maybe I have to do it again because this person will not let me reach to you. This is for sure. See him smiling? You see him? This person will not let me reach out to you. This is for sure. Okay, anyways, thank you guys. I hope you like my readings and subscribe to my channel. Also, please press the bell icon for readings. Thank you. Also, you can DM me on my contact number if you want the personal readings. I have kept the personal reading range very low as possible for you to reach me out. I also want you all to reach me out so that I can give my very best to you guys. Thank you so much.